All right, let's do this. Let's do this leak code here. I think I know the intuition, which is to use two heaps, but I actually don't know how to implement it correctly or like why we're using two heaps. So try to figure that. I know it's two heaps to keep a sorted sort of thing. So I think the idea is to have. So the problem is find basically the median at any current time. So like add num, and the state will continuously increase. The find median will be just whatever the state is, find the median. So the two heaps is okay. Have a lower heap, higher heap, which is all the numbers in here will be less than all the numbers here. We use a max heap here and a min heap here. Python recently usually, or actually Python usually has to negate their numbers to do max heap, but I think in Python max heap, they recently dropped to max heap. Um, um, yes, I think. Yeah, I think they recently added a max heap. So let's see if Python leak code will allow us to do that. So yeah, let's just So we have here, yeah, and then so basically we always the lower one will have an extra value by 1. So like the first value ever put in will always be 1, and if it's always odd, we know that if it's odd, we'll just always return the highest, basically the first value in the lower. If it's even, then do the top of this, top of that, top of the max, top of the min if it's odd. And we can always tell if it's odd if this is one more than the higher heap. So I think that is the logic here. So okay, let's do this. Self.low, self.high, and then we'll add a num to each. So heap push self.low, the num. First things I need to do is figure out how I'm going to how the hell this shit works. Transfer x into a mean heap in place time. Whoa, okay, push. Maintaining the in heap. Heap push max. Yeah, heap push max. Okay, so perfect. So uh-oh. What's happening? Oops. Let's get. So heap pop max, heap push. Okay, this is perfect. So okay. Added in 3.14. So this is really nice. Okay. So let's get to it. So we have here heap push max, and then check. Okay. If length of self.low is less than self.high, right? So length of right? Then we need to rebalance it. So we'll do self.high. So rebalance it. So So we add it to the heap, right? And so self dot low is less than self dot high. So yeah. So if it's smaller, that means, okay, that doesn't make sense at all because we actually never added to high. Okay, also we need to put it in heap push self dot high num. So we have one heap max, heap min. Oh, okay, so we no, I'm stupid. Self dot actually heap pop max from the self dot low. We'll put it basically into the high. If that changes, if there's an imbalance or invariance, meaning where we need to put it in when we're in the low, we're gonna have low as the extra one. So we'll do that, right? So what do I do here? I forget. Okay. Oh yeah. So heap pop self dot high. And heap push. Wait, it's heap push, right? Ooh, push pop. Ooh. Okay. Heap push the self dot low from the high. Yeah, basically re-add it again. But only if we're out of things. So for example, so what's gonna happen is we add here. So we basically put it in the high, or put in the low, then we put in the high. The rebalance happens, we put it back in the, pop it out of the high and put it back in the low. I need to make sure this is a low, so max. Yeah. Heap push max. Now it's low will have number 1, then we add 2, we add the tier, we put it here, and we're good. We don't actually do anything. So now it's 1 and 2. Then we try to add 3. So 3 is gonna go to here, and it's gonna go here. Oh no 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 no! We actually want. Okay, that's fine. Wait, no, 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 we're fine. So we add the 3 in here. Then we'll remove it. So basically 3 will be on this side. And now it's going to be 1, then 2, 3. Right? So that is true. So we pop here, which is the 2. Yep, which is the 2. Then we add it to here. So now it's going to be 1 and 2, then 3. Okay, I see. That's perfect. So now we know if self dot, so we'll do length of self dot low is greater than length self dot high. That means it's simply just self dot low of 0. Else, return self dot low. So it's basically, yep, divide. Okay, yep, plus self dot high. Right. Get the basically the 2 biggest values divided by 2. Yep. If it's even, basically just the like 1 and 2, just get the heads of each 2, or yeah, the root of each thing. Oh no, they haven't added it. What version is this? GG's boys. I will have to I will have to negate the number here. Yeah, okay, I guess they don't have the correct version, so yeah. So low needs to... Okay, so like this times this. Okay. Very nice. All right, see you guys tomorrow.